Maddie's having us to her house for dinner, her apartment for dinner. Her roommate has grow lights. Isn't that so nice? And they put some art on the walls. This is the living room. They got chairs. Looks good, Maddie. I also really like their lights. It's really nice.
Nespresso, not a sponsor. All right, so we got the water in the back. You got the pod in the thingy. Push that down. Dad wanted a lungo.
What does lungo mean?
It's the bigger version.
The larger size.
The larger
Okay.
size. Now, Dad, this is gonna brew. How do you want it prepared? We have a menu here.
Oh, look at this. It's so
Espresso?
fun.
Americano.
Wow.
Latte.
That's so cute. Little menu on how to...
Banana. We have a milk whisker thingy.
Frother?
Frother.
I don't think it's a whisker.
That's like whiskers.
Not at all.
Oh, that's actually really good.
What did you put in yours, buddy?
I watched you make it.
This is the blonde espresso, vanilla flavoring syrup, and heavy whipping cream because we didn't have actually whipped cream.
Yeah.
But I dissolve it anyway, so.
Cool. I have house blend. I have the smaller size. And then I just add a little bit of vanilla.
Nice.
Little
Are those the
vanilla.
stackable cups we got?
Yes.
Nice. Very
And then I
fun.
added some oat milk creamer.
Very nice.
And I just kind of take it in a big gulp, but I'm gonna sip it first. Just
All right.
taste it. Play.
We're playing Bananagrams, and apparently I'm top banana because I won the round. So we're gonna play again. I forgot to video my board, but you know, whatever.
It was pretty good.
It was pretty good.
Not a lot of words.
My
in there.
favorite word was styled and quotable. Those were good words.
I had some good words in mine.
She did.
I had culprits and volatile. Askew.
Yeah.
Quarry.
Yeah, that college education coming in handy.
Oh yeah, big time.
Chris did really well too. I kind of scooped top banana right out from underneath him.
Yeah, they both
All
have
I
one
knew was
pile
a
left.
Z.
It was head to head. He had a Z though. That's rough.
But I had words like aria
That's good.
and nigh and
Good. How does one spell nigh? N-I-G-H? Like that kind of nigh?
No, N-I-E. I looked it
Oh.
up. It's an acceptable Scrabble word, apparently.
All right. Back
Maybe
to
it would have been more
banana.
contested had I claimed victory, but
No, we probably
didn't.
wouldn't have contested you. We believe you. Looking at the top banana now. Look at that. We all won once. Here's mine.
Good stuff. An even match.
Good job, good job, good job, ladies and gentlemen.
tell me when because I want to pour this.
So you heard the whole saga of Molly's hair dye.
Can you pour it?
pouring now.
Now we're trying to help her strip the
Strip it.
dye from her hair. What's in this stuff?
It's a concoction. I was supposed to use dandruff shampoo, but we don't have any right now.
I have dandruff shampoo.
Well, I didn't feel like my upstairs, to be honest.
Oh.
So, shampoo, baking soda, dish soap. That's that.
What about the lemon juice?
I was gonna use lemon juice, but the thing online says the lemon juice just lightens your hair.
Oh.
Like, I'm not trying to get the color. It's not like it's the color gone wrong. It is the chemicals in the hair dye.
Right, okay.
Want more there?
Watch your eyeballs. Watch
Did
your
you get it on my face? Is it on my face?
Oh.
Dad!
Chris is enjoying this a little too much.
Stop!
All right.
Stop it!
See if you.
Hooper. Hope he got it that time.
There you go.
He couldn't figure out how to get around.
I kept wanting to go into the corner.
Hooper. He's not the sharpest tool in the shed, but he's really cute. Was it snowy out there, puppy? Was it snowy? I'm here with Hannah. We're going to the camera store because do you remember these? They're all the rage now. The youths. The youths really like them, and so, but to get it developed like in any reasonable amount of time, they take it to the camera store. So we're headed to a camera store now to drop this off so she can get her throwaway camera developed. I just got my hair cut. Isn't it cute? I had to get some of the length off. I couldn't take it. It's parted a different way, so it's a little poofy here, but I don't know. Maybe that's good. I don't know. Now I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree, see if there's anything interesting. Someone told me there's blue and white dishes in Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them yet. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in weeks. So I'll go in and see if there's anything interesting. If I get anything interesting, I'll show it to you. If not, we'll just move on to the next part of the vlog. Never mind. The Dollar Tree closed at 5 p.m. and it's 5:20. So maybe I'll make it to another one later in the weekend. We'll see. Big things are happening. So this is just an old desk that I use as my behind the couch table. It was always meant to be temporary, but I wanted to make sure I found something I really liked. And my friend Leanne from Simply Enjoying Life has a piece of furniture. It has like 9 cubbies. I think it's meant to be like a TV entertainment center, but also works well as a, you know, what do they call that? Console table. Wow. Wow, guys, my brain's not working this morning. Anyway, console table, behind the couch table, some kind of console cabinet, whatever. Anyway, so I think it's going to work well behind the couch. I'm going to take that out, put that in. Chris is going to put it together for me. That's what's happening. So I wanted it in white. I couldn't find it in white. I found it in this grayish color, which I thought was pretty, and it was on clearance. So I got a good deal on it. And that's, I like had to order it because I was like, if I don't order it now, it's gonna be gone. Here, can I see the instructions? I can get an idea. So that's what it looks like. See the cubbies and the little thing. I think it's gonna be great for decorating. And I like the finish. It goes with our, don't mind the mess, but it goes with our coffee table. The coffee table has like a grayish finish to it. So this is obviously more gray, but I think it'll work well. I'm excited. Here it is. I totally love it. I'm super pleased. And I haven't decorated it yet, obviously. I might put some Easter stuff there. Or maybe I'll just put spring stuff for now and then bring in Easter. I don't know. But anyway, really pleased with how it looks here. Much nicer than the desk that I had. Also, if you're wondering, that lamp is there because I cross stitch here and I need light. So that is a functional choice. Here it is, decorated for now. I really like it like this. I will probably change it up for spring, but super pleased with how it looks for now. Hello, here with Chris, and we're going down to what is called Savers thrift store because tomorrow is President's Day and I was going to go on a big thrifting adventure tomorrow, and then Chris alerted me to the fact that we are actually under a winter storm watch, so we could get nothing or like an inch, or we could get 6 to 12 inches. They don't seem to know yet, but I wanted to make sure I got out to get some, you know, to get a thrifting video done for this week. So going down to Savers. I never mind Savers because there's the bag wall. That video will be on my other channel. If you're not aware, I have a thrifting channel. But yeah, I like to keep you posted here on my vlog of the happenings. So, all right, see you later. We got Dunkin'. There's a new Dunkin' Donuts by the Savers that we come to. That's exciting. And Chris is giving mine a shake because all the sugar and milk goes to the bottom.
Makes a little spilly.
Yeah, it's all right. Also, we've stripped. Well, you know, we're not naked or anything. It's 40 degrees out, which is hot. I mean, it was -3. Was that yesterday? Yeah. Yesterday morning, it was -3 degrees. So we're talking about almost a 50-degree temperature increase. So like going from 30 to 80 for normal people. So we are warm.
my weather app says it's 44 right now.
Wait, what? What, 44? Wow.
44.
So really 50 degrees, 51 degrees. So we're hot because our bodies are used to -3 and other terrible temperatures that hopefully most of you don't have to experience. But anyway, we went to Savers. It was fine. Savers is not ever terrible usually, and it's usually not great, but it was fine. I found a few things, which you'll see on my other channel. We're debating about going to one other place, but I'm not sure I have it in me today. Might save that for another day, but for right now, I'm just gonna go enjoy my coffee. It's the pancake man.
Pancake time.
And he always makes Mickeys for Hannah.
This one got a little bit, he's a little bit lopsided.
It still looks like Mickey. I ate my pancakes already, and now I'm having coffee. And I'm gonna make more candles because Maddie really likes my candles, which, by the way, here they are. I've been burning them. They burn really well and slow, and they smell nice. Anyway, she really likes the sugar cookie ones, so I'm making some more for her over there. That's what that is. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it here. I'm making my mom's lentil recipe. Thought I would show it to you. So I used red onion because that's what I had. Normally I would use yellow onion. It's like half an onion. So I'm going to do half an onion in a little bit of olive oil. Warmed up the olive oil. Then you cook the onion till it's translucent. Then, it's a 1 pot meal. So you actually add your water. Adding my 6 cups of water. My onions started to brown just a little bit. You really don't want it to brown, but I was a little negligent because I was chit-chatting with Chris. Anyway, and then I'm going to get my lentils and add those in. Here's my 1 cup of lentils. So 6 cups of, half an onion, 6 cups of water, 1 cup of lentils. And I'm going to bring that to a boil and then simmer it for 30 minutes. And then we'll do more. So it came to a boil and I lowered my heat. So now I'm going to let it simmer for 30 minutes. All right. I forgot to film it, but I dumped in my 2/3 cup of rice. It's basically a cup, somewhere between 2/3 and a cup. And then I have to bring it to a boil again. And there's no measurement on this. This is this Goya adobo, the red cap. And it's just like this much. I don't really know how much that is, but just kind of put that in there with it. And that's the only seasoning you do. And then everyone salts to taste once it's cooked. So I bring this to a boil and then lower it to a simmer and then cook it until the water's gone and everything's tender. And that's it. And here it is. Turned off the heat. So it's just kind of this 1 pot, you know, rice and bean kind of thing. I don't do soup. We don't like it like that. But it's delicious. And just add a little salt and pepper. Everyone to their own taste. And yeah, it's great. Easy peasy and really cheap. Here's what it looks like in my bowl. I actually add some green olives on the side of mine. I know that sounds weird, but I really like olives, so. Chris does not. He does not like olives. How is it, Chris?
It's a tasty batch.
Good.
It's a good one.
Good. I'm glad you're enjoying it. With that, I'm going to close out of the vlog. Say goodbye, Chris.
Goodbye, Chris.
We'll see you next week. Bye.